Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of smiles.
And I'm Alex. If you want to speak English confidently in daily life, you're in the right place.
Before we start, quick question for you. Do you want to speak English naturally? Do you want simple conversations you can use every day?
If your answer is yes, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel right now. It really helps us make more fun English videos for you.
Yes, and please like this video. When you like our videos, it tells us, hey, this is helpful.
And one more thing. Share this video with your friends, family, or classmates who are learning English. Learning together is more fun, right?
All right, let's begin today's English speaking practice. In this lesson, we will learn how questions and answers for basic conversations.
These questions are super useful. You can use them at home, at work, with friends, or even with new people.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Oh yes, just listen, repeat, and enjoy the conversation.
So relax, smile, and practice with us. Let's improve your English step by step, together.
Let's get started. Keep learning, keep speaking, and stay connected with Mr. and Mrs. English Studio. Alex, how are you feeling today?
Oh, I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm a little tired, but also happy.
That sounds nice. How do you feel in the morning?
In the morning, I feel sleepy. But after breakfast and tea, I feel active and fresh.
Same here. I feel calm in the morning, but if I'm late, oh no, I feel stressed.
Oh yes, that happens to me too. Mira, how do you feel at work or while studying?
Most of the time, I feel focused and motivated. But sometimes, when it's difficult, I feel confused.
That's normal. When I don't understand something, I feel frustrated, but I don't give up.
That's a good attitude. When I practice English, I feel excited and confident.
Oh, me too. At first, I felt nervous speaking English, but now I feel more comfortable.
See? Practice really helps. How do you feel right now, Alex?
Right now? I feel happy because we're learning English together.
Aw, that's great. And to our viewers, how are you feeling today?
Are you feeling happy, tired, excited, or relaxed? Say it out loud and practice with us.
Remember, it's okay to feel different emotions every day. Just keep learning and keep smiling. Alex, how do you do your daily activities?
Oh, good question. I start my day early. First, I wake up and stretch a little.
Stretching is good. What do you do after that?
Then, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. After that, I eat breakfast and drink tea.
Hehe, tea is very important. How do you go to work or study?
I get ready and leave the house on time, most days. I go to work by bus and listen to music on the way.
Nice. Listening to music makes the day better. What do you do at work?
At work, I check my tasks, answer emails, and focus on my job. Sometimes I feel busy, but I try to stay calm.
That's smart. How about lunchtime?
At lunchtime, I eat something simple and talk with friends. Oh, and I drink water. Very important.
Yes, stay healthy. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax a little. I walk, watch TV, or practice English.
Wow! Practicing English every day. Great habit. What do you do at night?
At night, I eat dinner, spend time with family, and get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I think about my day and feel thankful.
That sounds peaceful. Everyone has different daily activities, and that's okay.
To our viewers, how do you do your daily activities? Try to say it in English with us.
Practice a little every day, and your English will improve step by step. Alex, how do you learn English?
Oh, I learn English step by step. First, I listen carefully to simple English every day.
That's a good way. What do you listen to?
I listen to short videos, easy conversations, and sometimes English songs. Even if I don't understand everything, I keep listening.
Yes, listening helps a lot. How do you practice speaking?
I practice speaking by talking to myself in English. I speak in front of a mirror. It feels funny, but it works.
Oh, that's smart. I practice English by speaking with friends and repeating sentences aloud.
Nice. Repeating is very helpful. How do you learn new words?
I learn new words by reading short sentences and writing them down. Then I try to use the words in daily life.
Great idea. When I make mistakes, I don't feel bad anymore.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. At first, I felt shy and nervous speaking English.
Me too, but now I feel more confident. Practice really changes everything.
How often do you practice English, Alex?
Every day, even 10 to 15 minutes is enough. Little practice every day is better than long practice once a week.
So true. And to our viewers, how do you learn English?
Do you listen, speak, read, or write? Try to say your answer in English right now.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Be patient, be positive, and keep going. Alex, how do you travel every day?
Oh, I usually travel by bus. Haha, it's cheap and easy, but sometimes it's very crowded.
Yes, buses can be busy. How do you feel when the bus is full?
I feel tired, but I try to stay calm. I listen to music and look outside.
That's a good idea. I often travel on foot when the place is near.
Oh, walking is healthy. How do you travel when it's far?
When it's far, I travel by car or taxi. It's more comfortable, especially in hot weather.
Ha! True. Sometimes I travel by train. It's fast and relaxing.
Wow, that sounds nice. How do you travel when you go on a trip or holiday?
For trips, I travel by plane. At first, I felt nervous. Oh, but now I feel excited.
Flying is fun. I like looking out the window and taking photos.
Same here. How long does your travel usually take?
It usually takes 20 to 30 minutes. If there is traffic, oh no, it takes longer.
Haha, traffic is everyone's problem. To our viewers, how do you travel?
Do you travel by bus, car, bike, train, or on foot? Say your answer out loud and practice English with us.
Remember, simple sentences are powerful. Keep practicing every day.
Alex, how do you like English?
Oh, I like English very much. I think it is interesting, useful, and fun to learn.
That's great. What do you like most about English?
I like speaking English because I can talk to new people. At first, it was difficult. But now it's exciting.
Practice really helps. How do you like learning English through videos?
I like it a lot. Videos are easy to understand and fun to watch.
Nice! How do you like watching English movies?
I like them, but sometimes they are fast. So I watch with subtitles and listen carefully.
That's smart. How do you like your daily routine?
I like my daily routine because it is simple and balanced. But on busy days, I feel a little tired.
I understand. How do you like this English practice?
I really like it. It makes me feel confident and relaxed.
Yay! And to our viewers, how do you like learning English?
Do you like it a little, a lot, or very much? Try to say your answer in English now.
Remember, everyone likes different things, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep practicing.
Yes, speak simply, speak clearly, and enjoy learning.
Alex, how often do you practice English?
Oh, I practice English every day. Haha. Even if I'm busy, I try to practice a little.
That's great. How much time do you practice each day?
Usually 10 to 20 minutes. It's not long, but it really helps.
Yes, short practice every day is better than long practice once a week.
Exactly. Sometimes I practice in the morning, sometimes in the evening.
How do you practice when you don't have much time?
Good question. I listen to English while walking or traveling.
Oh, that's smart. I practice by speaking simple sentences while doing daily work.
Haha! Talking to yourself in English is very helpful. At first, I felt shy, but now I enjoy it.
How often do you feel tired or lazy to practice?
Sometimes, ha ha ha, but I remind myself why I started learning English.
That's a good idea. When I feel lazy, I watch short, fun English videos.
Yes, learning should be fun, not stressful.
And to our viewers, how often do you practice English?
Every day? Sometimes? Only on weekends? Say your answer out loud and practice with us.
Remember, little steps every day bring big results. Alex, it was so much fun talking with you today.
Haha. Yes, Mira. I really enjoyed practicing English with you. We learned so much today. How to ask how questions and give answers.
Exactly. And remember, everyone, it's okay to make mistakes. Practice makes perfect, and each conversation makes you better.
Oh, yes. Before we go, Mira, how do we say goodbye politely in English?
We can say goodbye, see you later, talk to you soon, or even have a nice day.
I like see you later. It sounds friendly and fun.
Yes, and for our viewers, don't forget, always end your conversation with a smile. It makes English learning even more enjoyable.
Also, a little tip. You can ask your friend, when shall we practice again? It keeps the conversation going and shows you care.
That's a great tip. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.
Yes, every like, share, and subscription helps us make more fun and useful English videos for you.
All right, see you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing English every day.
Both together. Goodbye. See you in the next video.